Hi, I just bought a new phone, so let's unbox it together. I'm so excited. Can you guys guess what phone I ordered? Comment down below. Okay. I already have iPhone 16. Here we have my new phone and that is Samsung S24 Ultra. I really love the color. It's gorgeous. I can't wait to use it. The best part of unboxing any phone. Imagine taking mirror selfies with this phone.